What's poppin'? In this video, we're gonna take an overview look of your ORS and see how it's being set up. Now, hopefully you've done all the trainings. Now we're just gonna look through every part of the ORS and see and show you what it's all about, okay? So this is your dashboard and you've probably already done all the steps here. And what I want you to do is just go to media, open it, and this is the section where you will be able to upload pictures, files, and anything that comes with the products you sell. If you want the system to deliver it in automatically, like PDFs, whatever type of files you're going to be delivering them, slides, etc., you will be adding them here. You'll select them from your desktop and it'll be added. It'll give you the URL, then you can choose them from here when you go to products. I already showed you how to do that, but this is where you'll be adding them. Just showing you this so you know where it is, okay? Let's go to pages. And basically what the system does is it gives you two funnels that I will show you how to use in the lead generation tutorial. And what the pages part is, if you want to have like more of a website type of system, you can add pages here. But I do not recommend you to waste time on this. What I do want you to do is use the system as I showed you and start getting leads and try making sales. Once you start getting money, then concentrate on the website part of things, because it's not important, believe me. You don't need it. But I just want to show you it's here in case you want to add, a more friendly type of homepage. You can do that here. I also made a tutorial on that. If you look in the future lessons, they're there. Okay, so just showing you that you have that possibility here. Let's go to the funnels. These are your funnels, and we already showed you how to set them up and edit them and have them working 100%. But I'm just showing you that this is where they're saved and where you can edit them if you have to at any time. You have infinite funnels with the paid ORS, but with the free one, you can add a third funnel, and there's a training on that, on what type of funnel you should be adding as a third funnel. I'll show you that in another training, but I just want to show you where your funnels were located. Then shop is basically all the settings related to your shop. So all orders that come in are here. You should get a notification to your email address if you set it up right, as we showed you. Home is just, you don't need to do checkout because we've already set things up for you. Home is just where it's an overview of all the shop status. Customers are in here, so everybody that's opting into your lead magnet or your product, products in your super funnel, will end up in customers. Even the free lead magnet, you will find them here. So this is a list. If you go to customers, you will see everybody that's opting in. You'll see their name, their email, and all that information you need to start growing your email list. Reports, you can go check it out. Not important. Settings, we already set those up. If you did that, you don't need to go back here. And then we have another training also for cart abandonment. That should be pretty cool. And that's basically it. That's all you need for our shop. Products is obviously we're gonna have all your products. Now, as I explained this before, this is just like your database. You're not gonna be using this to actually sell your products. You're just gonna be adding, I don't want you to add a whole bunch of products. I wanted you to add one free product, which is your lead magnet, and one paid product. And if you can, 3 different tiers of products. And if you don't know how to make 3 different tiers, just think about even just differentiate them by pricing. Maybe you could differentiate the pricing from the product could be $1,000 product and they can pay up all full, or the second tier is 2 different payments, or a third tier is monthly for the whole year. So it's the same product divided by 3 ways. It's just giving the user more possibility to be able to pay you, because maybe if you tell them the price is 1,000, they're like, oh, I don't have 1,000, and they leave your page forever. If you give them another type of option where they can, they have enough money, they're like, okay, I feel safe giving them this type of money, and you capture the client. This is basically all your reports. It probably should be called reports and not sales, but basically it's showing you the sales This is the overview. Sales according to revenue, how much revenue you're making, all the orders that are coming in. So how much is each order making you? Which products are making you the most sales? Which categories? In your case, you don't have many categories. The ORS can, the paid one, you can add as many categories and products as you want, but you don't need this at the moment. Coupons. With the ORS, you'll be able to add coupons and the users can use them. At the moment, you probably can't, and you don't need to, seriously. The only time coupons are going to come into play is with the cart abandonment. That means the third email is probably going to send the user a coupon telling them to come back and finish their purchase. And if they do that, they'll get whatever coupon you decide to give them. Taxes, if you've set up taxes, but in the beginning you don't need to set this up. This overcomplicates everything. Just start generating sales and then we'll figure out the taxes after. Then we'll see how many downloads your site is making, and then settings is just who can access all this stuff, but you don't need to worry about that. Settings, we already showed you what you have to do here. You don't have to do anything else. And profile is where your profile, all your profile information is. So that's the overview of your free ORS. Obviously, the paid ORS has a whole bunch of other things installed. It's fully loaded to get you where you need to go at a ridiculous price. But you still can you still can reach your goals with the free one. That's why we made it. And we made it really simple because we don't want you getting lost by yourself when you do this, because that's a problem we've seen with a whole bunch of people, is that when they have a system like this, they don't know where to start and they get lost in the useless activities that are not going to take them, that are not going to push the needle and, take them one step ahead in their business. So this is all you need to start. And in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to start generating leads and making sales. So see you in the next lesson.